Mermaid and the Curious Whale. A short moral story. In the sparkling waters of Coral Bay, a young mermaid named Mira loved to collect seashells and sing to the dolphins. One sunny morning, while diving for shimmering shells, she heard a loud splash behind her. Turning around, she saw a young, curious whale staring at her with wide, friendly eyes. The whale's name was Wally, and he had wandered away from his pod. "Hello," Wally said in a deep, cheerful voice. "I've never seen a mermaid before." Mira smiled warmly. "And I've never met a whale so close to the reef," she said. Wally was fascinated by everything: Mira's sparkling tail, the colorful coral, the tiny fish darting by. He asked question after question, his excitement making him swim in wide, clumsy circles. But as Wally spun and splashed, he accidentally knocked over a large coral tower, causing part of the reef to crumble. Mira gasped. "Oh no! The reef is home to so many creatures," she cried. Wally's eyes filled with tears. "I didn't mean to hurt anyone," he said sadly. Mira touched his fin gently. "I know, Wally. But sometimes, we need to be careful even when we're curious." Together, they worked to rebuild the reef, stacking coral gently and helping the little fish find new hiding places. Other sea creatures joined in, and soon, Coral Bay was more beautiful than ever. When Wally's pod finally found him, he promised to always explore with care and kindness. Mira waved goodbye, knowing she had made a friend who would protect the ocean just as much as she did. Moral: curiosity is wonderful, but we must be careful and kind when exploring new places. Thank you for watching.